government unit of Salano Bisaya early this morning. Meron ko palang last. But of course, I accept the challenge because I'm also master mason. As we stated several times during the wake of my father at our house, at our home, at Barangay Pilino, Salano Bisaya, considering that upon the death of my father, we sang hymn of praises to God, we call it a perfect death. That is why, in this early morning, we brought the casket of my father at Aldous Green College, expecting not so much. But the rest of our siblings were quite surprised because parang sabi nila si may Aquino namatay. When we get out of Aldous Green College, children waving of all the buildings of Aldous Green College. And therefore, I said to them, really, it is a perfect death.